All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. So, what can we expect from gold next week? Well, it seems like a lot of volatility is in order for the yellow metal as we approach next week. And honestly, volatility will be something we'll likely have to deal with until the end of the year. Now, that does make it tough when planning how to enter the gold market because, in the fiat sense, pun intended if you got that, there is a high barrier of entry. Many of us are trying to plan for those dips, so let's see how we might handle that volatility for next week. Don't know why I'm pointing here, but we should also take a look at what economic news we should also keep an eye out for, which could also impact that volatility as well. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so we have a new one here from Kitco entitled Extreme Gold Price Swings to Hit Markets Next Week as Metal Tackles $2,000. We're just going to read a little section right here. Let's get started. How to handle volatility. Very thin trading next week is likely to cause extreme price swings in the gold space, the analyst warned. A lot of traders are away and we are seeing thin markets. A lot of buying is algorithmic driven, Phoenix Futures and Options LLC president Kevin Grady told Kitco News. He continues, on Thursday, gold rallied $30 and then sold off $70. $100 swings are not typical for gold. A lot of people are on the sidelines, and next week it will be even thinner. You are going to see exacerbated price swings as the algorithms take control. Remember that, guys, for next week. It continues. For investors, Hug recommends keeping emotions out of it and maintaining a gold position as part of a balanced portfolio. This is not the time to panic, he said. For traders, Hug suggests taking a macro perspective on things since it is difficult to put in stops with such high price swings on a daily basis, he noted. If you are a day trader, it is really difficult to trade the market because it is built up on both sides. Make sure you have the capital available to meet margin calls, he stated. Grady said that many investors are starting to choose gold-backed ETFs like the GLD versus the futures due to the high levels of volatility. So for all of you day traders out there, please be careful. I'm sure you've been dealing with a lot of volatility in recent weeks, but this volatility will likely continue. And similar to what I said earlier, and this is more for the physical stackers, I think you just have to find an opportunity here to enter. Similar to what Hug said, try to keep emotions out of it and hop in when things look advantageous. So let's see what we can expect from economic data this week. So I have a list here of some of these dates. So on Monday, we'll actually have no data. Tuesday, September 1st, we'll get August's final manufacturing data, and that may be one to watch out for. I'm expecting a decrease from where we were in July, but we'll see. Wednesday, we'll get the ADP employment report for August. Thursday, you guys know what to expect by now. We'll get those jobless claims numbers. But in addition to that, we'll also get July trade deficit numbers, Q2 productivity and unit labor costs revisions. On Friday, that'll be a big day to watch out for. We'll get the non-farm payrolls data, the unemployment rate data, and the average hourly earnings for August. So yeah, definitely expect some volatility on that day for sure. I'm honestly feeling pretty bullish about next week, though we are going to have that, those high price swings. But I expect to see some moves to the upside overall for that week. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you think we'll actually head further down, or we'll end the week on a high by Friday. Let me know, and thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion.